How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload a video to YouTube. So once you're on YouTube, you're going to see this top right hand, there's going to be this little camera icon. You're going to want to go ahead and click that, click upload videos, select files, locate the file or the video that you're trying to upload. And then we're going to be brought to this detail section, and you can already see we can edit the title, the description. I'm going to leave it as is for now. You can edit the thumbnail of your video, where you can upload a custom thumbnail that you've made, or you're going to be generated 3 random thumbnails or screenshots throughout the video. Then we have playlists, where you can add the video to a pre-existing playlist or create a new playlist of your own. And then for audience, you're just going to want to go ahead and click whichever option suits your video. I'm going to click yes, it's made for kids. However, if you click no, it's not made for kids, you can either age restrict or not age restrict your video. And then we have the show more option, where it's going to give us a lot more options. The first option is paid promotion. So if your video is made with another third party and you're making money, you can let your audience know by clicking this box right here. Automatic chapters will help your viewers understand what's going on throughout sections of your video, which you can edit later. We have tags. You can add any tags you want. Language and caption certification. You can add whichever language works for you. Caption certification, you'll have all these options. You can just either click none, or you can choose whichever one best desires, or whichever one you desire. Recording date and location, you can go ahead and add that too if you want. Keep in mind, if you don't want to add these, you do not have to. However, this next option here is very important. Here we have the license option, and you're going to see the standard YouTube license or the Creative Commons license. Basically, this first option is going to be a license where you can say that I own this video and nobody has the ability to take my video and use it for their own. Or if you want, or you don't really care if people use your videos, you can click Creative Commons. Embedding will basically let others or yourself put your video in another place or another space other than YouTube, and then publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Basically, it's just going to let your subscribers know that you're uploading this video. Short sampling is a new addition to YouTube. It's basically like the TikTok of YouTube, and if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and click allow people to sample this content. Category, you can just click whichever one best fits your video. And then comments and rating, we're gonna see that you're gonna have 4 options here. Allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, disable comments, and then you have a sorting option here as well. And then finally, here we have show how many viewers like and dislike this video. That is entirely up to you. Then we can go to the next section, where you can either add titles or subtitles, add an end screen, or add cards. It's just grayed out for me here because my video is really short, and there's no talking involved. But if you want to add any of these 3, go ahead and do so. And then for checks, as long as you see this green check on the right side, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about anything. Basically, it's just trying to see if the audio within your video is copyright. And then finally, for visibility, we have private, unlisted, public. Private, only you can see it. Unlisted is not public, but anybody with the link can see your video. Or we have public. So I'm just going to click unlisted for now, and then you have an option to schedule your video if you want, but I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to click save. And that's it. My video is published, and keep in mind, if your video is of high quality, it takes a little bit to process. So if you upload the video, do all the details, and click click save, and then you click your video and things aren't going very well, or it doesn't seem like it's high quality, don't worry, don't freak out, just wait a little bit and it'll get to the quality that it